Hello Lakers, this is Dr. Ling. This week I'd like to highlight for you the hands-on science portion of our lower school iLab program. And in order to do that, I have Mr. Falcione with us today. Mr. Falcione, what can you tell everybody about your aspect of the iLab program in our lower school?
Well, this lower school science lab gives us the opportunity to give the students from low as kindergarten all the way through 5th grade the opportunity to do hands-on science, including research, dissections, anything that I can do to enhance their science that they're getting regularly in their classroom. And for example, here we have a generator that I used for 3rd grade to teach them about static electricity and lightning, and where they were able to come up there themselves and create lightning shocks using this generator, which is a great experiment for them to see how lightning is created here in our Florida area.
What are your overarching goals for their learning for the academic year?
Well, being able to understand the actual process of the scientific method and experimentation, how scientists come up with solutions when they have a question. How do you go about creating an experiment and being able to gather information and get the data that you're hoping for. And understanding that you are allowed to make mistakes, and that's how science works, that you can go back and try to adjust it. One of my key things is communicating using proper science terms, understanding how to use the proper terminology when they're writing or they're speaking, so they can get more of a grasp of what they're learning. There is no one scientist who can do it all. And these students, when they walk in, they're not called students, they're scientists. And they have to work and collaborate and learn how to communicate with each other, understand differences, understand that you're going to agree and disagree. But there is still a common goal to try to achieve what you're looking for.
Okay. So when you have conducted a lesson with kids in the lower school, regardless of the grade level, what do you consider to be a success?
They go home, they talk about it, and I see the parents in car line or they're walking by my room, and they come to my door and they tell me everything that their child said the night before about what they were learning in class, and they're like, did you really teach them this? Did you really do this? And they show me that they took it home and they still had it in their head. It wasn't just lost when they walked out.
Fantastic. So we're really blessed to be able to offer this program for our youngest students. Hands-on science is of course incredibly relevant for today's world and what we're trying to accomplish with students in terms of skill building, teamwork as we've discussed, problem solving, application of the scientific method, all the way down to kindergarten, which I think is really fantastic. Thanks, Mr. Falcione, for everything that you do in our school. If you're liking what you see, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember always, today is a great day to be a Laker. Thank you.